With Whispir, it's easy to send messages across email, SMS, voice, social media, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to send a message in bulk or individually and give you some helpful tips to customize your communications. To send communications to individuals or a distribution list, select New Message under the Messages category. From there, manually enter your recipient's contact details, or click on To choose from your address book or select an entire distribution list. Then, fill in the relevant fields for whichever channels you want to use. For example, for SMS, you'll see a preview appear as you type. And for voice, you can hear what your message will sound like at any time by selecting Preview. The Features and Publishing tabs allow you to further customize your messages, including setting an alias, but more on that later. When you're ready to send, you can either click Send or schedule it by clicking Send Later. When scheduling a message, you can choose to send it once or set it to be repeatedly sent at whichever frequency you like. To send a message in bulk, select New Bulk Message under the Message category. You can upload your own CSV file or use the example template CSV file Whispir provides. Once you've uploaded your file, select the channels you want to send your message through. The column headings from your CSV file will automatically generate, allowing you to personalize your message. For example, add your recipient's name, when their next shift is, or whatever information is in your CSV file. When you're done, you can preview your message and then, once again, choose to send it now or schedule it for later. As mentioned earlier, one of the options when sending a message is to select an alias. An alias is what your recipients will see when you message them. You can create aliases in your administration settings under the Alias Manager section. Once you've created an alias, it will appear as an option with the new messages you create. As you can see, there's a lot you can do through Whispir's Messaging Studio. You have what you need now to get started exploring, but if you need help or have any questions, please feel free to contact our friendly support team or check out our help articles.